Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel, with Website Candy, and now I have to get used to saying 47 designs. The website is complete. It's finished. It's done. Here it is. And something else I discovered is I have to kind of do this in one take because I can't edit these videos because it puts my little uh, video into a bounding box, and I hate that on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. If you hate, those little black bars on the side of the videos there. But anyway, here's the website. Here it is. 47 designs. My tagline is making ish happen. Okay. If you don't like it, don't like it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up as well. However, this is the website. It's done. The world is waiting on you. And I just got one more edit to go through in regards to the website. If you visit the website today, you might actually get some type of you know, errors on the website, but just know that that will be corrected. Okay, all in one package: website maintenance, SEO. We're doing it all. You can click right here to go ahead and get started, to send over a payment and send me over your information, and I will be happy to. Assist you in building a website for you. Of course, our websites are all responsive. As I take this little box right here and I bring it down here, let me go ahead and get rid of this back here. And okay, so right here you can see the website's responsive, so I can just scroll down, I can break it down. So it's going to look good on every screen across the world, and I'll talk about that here in the video. Multi-browsers, it looks good on Chrome, it looks good on Firefox. Every website that I build is always optimized for every type of different screen. Helping you make your best move. Social media push will help you get on social media, and more importantly, not just to be on social media, but to actually get the people talking. We know all the tips and tricks and all the magic to make that happen. We'll definitely make sure your website is ready for the search engines. It's just been launched, so here's my Google Analytics over here, and as you can see, there's no one on the website. It's not even registering me for some reason, but if I go back and refresh that there, it could have just kind of timed out there, basically, to let people see that it is online there. Let me refresh that link, and as I'm refreshing that, I'm actually going to pull it up on my phone as well, and you're going to be able to see one visitor right there. I'm in the Arizona area now, in the Scottsdale area, and you should see here that I am on my mobile, and you'll see that it's going to show a mobile. So we'll definitely set all that up for you as well. It's really intuitive the way the websites work. You can see the mobile device, the desktop device, and you can see that there's two users, and both those users are me because I'm just letting the world know about it right now. Before I go any further, I want to kind of talk about the advertisement. We do have a package where we'll help you put advertisement on your website, so you can kind of make some money in the background when it comes to your website. Every dollar we can get out of this world, why not chase it down and go get it? Search engines is where I left off. Everything else we do marketing. We'll help you be number one in Google. I'm actually in the process of setting up a campaign, and I do have a campaign manager that I've worked with for years. Know the guy personally. I don't, I've never met his kids, but I've talked to him about his children. It's, to that degree of one of them things to where we have a great relationship. Okay. Right here, some testimonials. Trinita from Trey LaShawn built the website for her once before. Worked with Chanel Cooper Sykes. And right here, another client that I enjoyed working with. Her name was Julie from Julie Bees. A couple testimonials, another advertisement there. Once again, we'll kind of help you with that. And right here in the price and planning, right here we have the startup. Right here, basically, we'll build a custom website, 2 monthly updates, and customer email support. You're not going to necessarily get the PSD files and the Dreamweaver files, the website files, with this package, and we won't do SEO for you with the startup cost right here. The standard, we will actually do the website, we'll give you a landing page. Your landing page will have like a countdown on it in regards to getting people excited, and we'll kind of help you start marketing the website from that standpoint, because we do provide SEO in this package right here. 10 monthly updates. You'll get all the documents in regards to your website. So if there's something that happened to me, or if there was a situation where you wanted someone else to, do something else to your website, they can kind of pick up where I left off. All web developers are kind of synonymous. We kind of know what to go in and do if we have the proper files. And you also get phone and email support with the standard package. The other package here, the last package that we have here, is all the above. You get everything from the standard, and you get Google AdWords, you get Google Analytics. We'll plug all that stuff in there for you. Ad placement on your website, as you can see right here, the different ads, and the SEO and Facebook ads will help you with that as well. Right here's the contact information. My email is not necessarily working yet. I'm in the process of working on that. And note down here at the very bottom that, give us a call if you actually want, to buy this website from us, or if you want to buy this domain. It's a great domain, website, 47 website designs.com. But this is the new website. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that I am back in the game 100%. I'm cranking out videos every single day, and we're going to do everything we can to, make sure that we, provide the best service for you guys possible. All right. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Goodbye.